Dust on my boots, gold on my soul. Riding through the fire, never losing control. Old Town Road where the legends unfold. I was born in the dirt, now I'm chasing the gold. Thunder in my heart, bass hit like a storm. Leather on my back, I was raised to perform. City lights flicker, but I never look back. I'm the ghost in the wind on a one-way track. Grit on my tongue, fire in my veins. Turn pain to a crown, I don't need no chains. They try to break me, I roll through the night. Now I shine too bright, I define that fight. I walk that line between sin and glory. Every scar that I wear